So it's game 2 sa Eastern Conference semifinal between New York Knicks and Indiana Pacers. The New York Knicks leading by 1-0. At itong game 2, hindi natin reaction na, no? So, simulan natin. Let's watch the video.
Sold out Madison Square Garden and game faces are on. Jalen Brunson went for 43 in game 1, 21 of those in the fourth quarter. Knicks up 1-0 in this best of 7 as we get set for game 2. Different vibe in here, and Nembhard lays it in, and that's how the scoring starts tonight, Coach. Now the question bears, can the Knicks take this kind of load with minutes and continue as they have so far? Jalen Brunson knocks down a mid-range jumper.
Specialty in the house. Oh, nice. Nice drive.
Shot clock to 3.
Oh, sidestep. Nice one.
Through the lane.
Kibra. Oh, wala.
Siakam kept it alive. Halliburton puts it in.
Well, Halliburton's already got half as many shots as he took in game 1.
Trying to be diplomatic here. Lays it in. He'll be all right. He'll just need a moment.
Oh, nice drive.
Strong basket, man.
It's a tough drive.
Shot out of a cannon here to start this game, too.
Oh,
Pass there by
nice cut.
And OG again. What a start for OG in the Knicks.
Brunson in traffic. And here's Anunoby. He's finding himself
Kaboom.
again, and he cashes another one in. Anunoby. McConnell, no look to Halliburton.
Kaboom.
That's what he needed to see right there.
Needed it.
First three-pointer for
Oh,
Tyrese Halliburton.
ganda na pasana. Ganda ikot ang bola.
Got it. Corner 3 for the big Ragu. Brunson.
Oh, galing. Isa pa. Toppin.
Obi Toppin hits a corner 3 coming out of that timeout. Halliburton.
Oh, nice kick out.
Corner, Neesmith cashes it in. Some contact there after the shot as well. DiVincenzo.
Oh, ganda na pasa.
Great pass. Achua the finish. Halliburton probes. Halliburton will take it himself with the reverse. Jalen Brunson has left the floor. Something's going on with Brunson. His heart, little mid-range baseline jumper. And this time Halliburton sets up McConnell.
Oh.
Offensive board here.
Oh,
And
pasa.
Halliburton for 3. Halliburton. Top it up there
Oh.
high. Kept it alive, but Hart
Sipag.
secures it. Nobody better.
This is where Hart's great, going coast to coast.
Oh!
And he adds to the Knicks lead.
Wala sa lapit
Under a
sa doon.
minute to go in the first quarter.
Pantay.
Sprinting down the floor in a two-handed jam. Anunoby, 12 first quarter points.
Oh.
Siakam over Anunoby, rattles one home. TJ McConnell gets loose and scores a jumper.
They cannot keep TJ McConnell out of the paint.
Here's Ben Shepherd for 3 in the corner. Anunoby hits another. 15 for Anunoby. TJ McConnell to the corner. Toppin wanted it. Toppin, he's got it.
Unselfish play once again by McConnell.
Oh, ganda na makakapal. Oh! Pick and roll.
Wraps it back, fires it down. Nembhard drives
Oh,
it, leads
kick
it.
out.
Shepherd in the corner. That one's true.
Nice job relocating Rook.
Oh,
Rick Carlisle is at
ganda na ikot ang bola.
on that bench as Anunoby sticks the landing on another one. 18 for OG Anunoby.
Oh, ganda na cut.
Catch, he recovered and he scored. Halliburton was there.
Kick
And the
out.
ball was loose for a moment.
Step back.
Steps back for 3.
Kaboom.
Another one is true for Tyrese Halliburton. Anunoby's been the
Oh,
offense in the
nice.
first half, and out to it.
Oh, gosh,
with the left. Halliburton to Turner.
Oh! Hammer
Highlight here
in.
the second quarter.
Now that can get you going right there if you're Miles Turner.
Oh, nice find.
Siakam finishes it off. The look away.
Oh. Oi.
Halliburton left wide open.
Open.
And he does not miss. And a primal yell.
Isa pa.
We're only in the second round these days. Halliburton is feeling it right now.
He is on one.
DiVincenzo, he's surrounded.
DiVincenzo.
Hartenstein sets him up again. That quick release by DiVincenzo. Dante. Jalen Brunson out of this game since late in the
Oh,
first.
nice ham.
The Pacers continue to push it. 10-point Pacer lead here with
Ganda
45
pasa.
seconds left. Chua hangs and finishes. 20 seconds to go. Halliburton finds Nembhard. Shot fake, steps into one. Got it.
Nice one.
Old school basketball right there. It's okay to take a mid-range shot, right? Especially in the playoffs.
Oh, layo.
75 on the board now. DiVincenzo hits it.
Loser yun, no?
DiVincenzo, Hartenstein. That was
Oh.
Halliburton disrupting that. Turner gets it.
Fast break.
Nembhard up ahead, and the Pacers rev it up again. Brunson certainly does not look as explosive. Looking to be a passer here. That sets up DiVincenzo beautifully. DiVincenzo.
Oh, hammering.
And that was
Kick out.
deflected. Brunson able to save it.
Oh,
And there is Brunson. No hard.
nice step in.
Offensive board and a score for the Knicks. Knicks on a run here. Brunson.
Nice. Oh, foul counted.
He's fouled. In pain on the floor. No luck inside. Nice catch by Hartenstein. Here goes.
Oh, nice one. Last lane. Kaliwa.
And we're tied.
Kick
at
out.
79.
Oh.
Three-pointer is down. OG Anunoby hits another. Hard. Behind the back, looking for help.
Nice. Nice find. Drop
The
pass.
Villanova connection once again. As Obi Toppin goes off the glass. Neesmith drives. Shoot.
Oh, piso.
With a block. Brunson loses the handle. Halliburton. Brunson takes it right back. And Anunoby lays
Nice.
it in. Indiana gotta put it in and get a shot up. And there is
Oh, piso. Dalawang piso na.
pulls it out in transition. Anunoby just throws it off the glass.
Oh, good.
And there is DiVincenzo in a wild scramble. Halliburton
Oh, nice.
takes it
Nice
himself
slide.
that time and lays it in. As we approach the 3-minute mark, Brunson over
Dahil talaga
McCollum.
gumamit ni Bronson.
Friendly bounce. Jalen Brunson gotta get out.
Oh.
My goodness, what a finish by Hart. Put a little English on it off the window. Toppin with authority goes and scores, and one for Obi Toppin. Brunson for three. He got it.
Nice cut.
Brunson inside in traffic.
But who made the play up top? Hartenstein in his passing.
McCollum
Oh,
rises up,
nice
hits
one.
a mid-range jump shot. Knicks lead 1-0 in this best-of-7 series. McConnell, same spot, same
Again.
result.
He's
Turbo lang
absolutely
McConnell yun.
dominating the paint area here in games 1 and 2 off the bench.
Brunson
Eh,
off the glass.
and one.
Wow, and one. Oh, nice crossover by
Oh.
McConnell with the left hand.
Oh,
and a
good na
little
crossover
spin.
yun.
TJ McConnell, spicy. Here's Josh Hart for three.
Oh.
Pure stroke, center cut. Just the second field goal in this fourth quarter for the Knicks. Siakam, another tough bucket for the Pacers. Another terrific matchup between these two. Brunson battling his way in, finishes with the right hand. The 32-year-old TJ McConnell.
Oh,
Turner
nice
fouled,
find.
It goes. Halliburton with a beautiful pass to his big man. Brunson with Nembhard on him. He'll pull a three.
Oh.
Jalen
Tinos
Brunson.
nun.
Dead-eye. Jalen Brunson has killed that match.
Kick out.
Nembhard
For three. Kaboom.
Josh Hart. Gets it.
Oh, ganda ng paso.
Siakam on the drive. He finds Nembhard. Halliburton passes another one up. Now takes a tough shot and scores. Took a page out of Hartenstein's book right there.
There you go.
DiVincenzo.
Now,
corner three.
at half court, and they move the ball to a three.
Oh,
And it's
sipag.
DiVincenzo with the board.
Patay, pasok! Dakdak.
Rebounds turn into second chance points. Halliburton lets a three fly and hits one. Big shot for the Pacers.
Huge possession.
Pacers need a stop. Knicks trying to add
235.
to it. Brunson going to work. Turnaround.
Ah, sure ball yan.
And here they want to put Halliburton
Special
in
day
that
na
screen.
ni Konyo, ni Bronson.
Hart finds DiVincenzo. A
Pasok!
Good. DiVincenzo delivers again. Pacers ball. Neesmith for three.
Ah,
That one's
ah.
good.
What an answer.
Wow. Brunson. 5 to shoot. Brunson.
Yari.
Brunson scores. Trying to put the lights out on the Indiana Pacers. Final score. Well,
Layo.
be indicative of
Ah,
the
pasok.
grinder that this was as Halliburton hits a three. No more fouls. The New York Knicks are going to go up 2-0 in this best-of-7 Eastern Conference.
So yun na, no? Nanalo sa game 2 ang New York Knicks, 130 to 121. Pinangunahan ni Jalen Brunson ang New York Knicks. And malalaman natin kung sa game 3 kung magiging factor ba yung injury nila, no? Which is si Jalen Brunson. meron siyang toe injury at saka yung isang number 9 na nagkameron siya yata ng hamstring during the third quarter of the game. At the same time, sa Indiana Pacers naman, hindi natin nakikita yung scoring ni Siakam, which is no round one is very visible against Milwaukee. At the same time, pati rin si Turner na wala rin yung scoring nila. So, tingnan natin kung kung makakuha ba ng win sa home ng Indiana Pacers. So, let's watch out na lang sa Game 3. Ngayon, lamang sa series ng New York Knicks, 2-0. Sa Game 3, it's a deciding game. Kung makakuha ang New York, kung maka-steal ang isang game sa Indiana Pacers, home ang New York Knicks. So I think malaking chance pumasok sa finals ng Eastern Conference. But let's watch out na lang sa sunod na game. So yun lang, and hope you like my video. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.